Okay, this is an F350. What we end up doing, installing the Excalibur 1670. This is what the remote control looks like. We also gave him the remote start, but the main thing, I'm going to show you the app to on the alarm. You're going to hit lock. It will lock your doors. Okay, you heard it chirp. Disarm it. Start it. You'll hear the pump. It's diesel, so we give them the diesel delay. It's gonna take a few seconds and then the car will crank right up. Okay. You'll see it crank right up. Okay. It gives you the countdown. It lets you know that the car is running by remote control. See the 20 seconds. It tells you the voltage of the battery, which is 12.8. Gives you the level of the signal. You can program the picture of your vehicle, which even gives you the color and everything. I'm going to go ahead and disable it.